watch the video if you want to read recipes.
Hey Nathan, what are we making today?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay, can you show me what we have?
This is honey bear. Chocolate powder. Open up oil, vanilla, cayenne pepper. And we have some shapes. So these are all what we're going to mold.
Oh.
So this is a treasure box with a dinosaur and a boat in it. So this is a Tonka box. I used to put my box through those holes. And then here's a lamp that I used to do murders. This is a part of an egg. This is a pot.
One,
2. It's hard.
It's hard. Okay, mix as you're pouring it in. Yep. Pour the chocolate in here. Okay, we refrigerated it for 20 minutes and it's got pretty pasty. So now we gotta add some honey. Here, bud, you gotta add honey. We need some honey. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons.
Good. I like to make Lego.
Pieces. What?
Oh,
Which one? The big one or the little one?
big one. Oh, what is this popcorn? How to do that?
Okay.
Oh.
Now we eat chocolate. Oh, you don't have to. You can just go away. I'm gonna eat some chocolate. Hey. You know what it tastes like?
No.
It tastes like Dove chocolate.
No, it tastes like honey.
Look, it's already melting.
You melt.
Oh yeah. Chocolate.
So, you guys remember this? The top.
And I'm gonna take this out. Okay, and then just leave it on the cutting board. Oh, Oh no, you broke it. Okay, hang on, hang on. Oh no, it didn't work too good. Let's try another one.
This one.
Oh, it looks like Tonka.
It says Tonka. Oh, go. That's a pizza cutter. Oh, I got the pot out.
There's chocolate in it. Okay. Oh. It kind of looks like it. Oh, okay. Cut. It didn't work too good, did it? Oh!
It's just a big block. Cut. Oh, I made some shapes. Oh!
Here, let me see. Yeah, it kind of worked. What is this? Everybody, you ready to chop some pieces up?
Yeah. I want to get this Tonka now.
Yep. Okay.
No! It completely crushed the treasure chest.
Okay. Tonka. Up here. And we're going to tear a piece. Here it says Tonka. It's a piece of chocolate. I'm going to wrap it up like a piece of candy.
Can keep it, maybe can we keep this? We can put it here.
Yum. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, this was foil from Cookies and Cream Hershey's Kisses. You gotta get a small piece though. That might be too big. Eat some of this.
Little baby.
Little baby chocolate. Put it. Here's a chocolate for Daddy. Oh yeah. Hey. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. Goodbye.
Okay, more. Oh. Hey. You're dirty. Oh no, you got chocolate on your face. No. 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 Oh. Got mud on my face. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this is a big one. Hey.